In this video, I'm going to show you how I made the rig for this jacket. The first thing to do, and the really easy part, is to set up your bones and manage your parent. When it's done, you can start the weight paints to have a proper deformation. I will not show you in details how I did the weight paints, but there is some examples of the final result in this video. If you notice, I didn't make any bones for the arm of the jacket. The reason is pretty simple, it's because it shares the same bones and the same weight paints from the arm of the character. If you want to simplify the process, there is a pretty cool tool which is the data transfer. To do so, use the data transfer on the jacket and target the body. Check vertex data and vertex group, and you can set up two nearest face interpolates. Generate the data layer and you can apply the modifier. Now the jacket will have the same vertex group and influence of weight paints, so you need to do it first before the manual weight paint. Now I will show you how to make this master controller to deform all the bottoms of the jacket easily. To make those controllers, you can select the bone, duplicate them, and scale them down. Each original bones need to be parented to the new bones. Now all the new bones need to have a copy transform constraint from the first new bone. You can set them up from local space to local space, and you're good. Now you can repeat the process for all the bones. If you want to have a better visualization of your controller, select all the bones, hold Alt, and you can change the custom shape of the bones with whatever you want. After all of that, don't hesitate to change the parent of the bones to have exactly what you want. In this video, you can see how I parented my bones. Now, let me show you how I did this shoulders influence. For the shoulder, you need to ask yourself what you want to move when the shoulders are moving. The main thing you will have to do is to use a transformation constraint. Select one by one all the bones you want to move, add the constraints and target the shoulder bone. For example, I want to move a bones up when I rotate the shoulder bone in the X direction. For the constraints, you can target on local space, but for the owner, I like to use a custom space. Because if I use a local space, it will move with the local space of the bones, and I don't want that. I want to move it on the local space of the jacket. So I will use as a custom space the main bones of the jacket whose align with world space. Now you can set up all the bones you want in every directions or rotations. And as you can see, when I'm rotating the shoulder, all the bones are moving perfectly. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comments. Share and subscribe if you found the content relevant, and tell me if you want me to do another video on modeling, texturing, or rigging. See you next time!